Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to make Namuru. So you know the Namuru? It's a name from Korea. Kind of like appetizer. It's marinated beansprouts. So very easy to make. Good matching drinking alcohol. So I'm gonna make it. Okay? So bean sprouts, enoki mushroom, this is a carrot, just for the decoration, and then mitsuba, it's a green one, this one is a decoration too. Also garlic, little bit small one, and ginger, small one. So seasoning, it's I make this one, shirodashi, my favorite, and sesame oil, and shichimi pepper, hot chili pepper. So 7 different kind spice inside shichimi pepper. Okay, let's start cooking. So carrot half thin sliced cut. Veggie, sprouts, takes about 3 minutes. Turn off the switch. Squeeze, cut off the water, veggie juice, like this. Ginger and garlic. sesame oil. This is sesame oil. And steamy chili pepper, hot pepper. Like this. And this is a mitsuba. Mix up. This one is kind of like some salad, appetizer salad, or some side order. Okay. Let me try taste a little bit. So good. And more flavor. 塩だし more. Maybe 10 cc. And more sesame oil. Steam. So this part is like adjust or taste everything. Okay. Try taste again a little bit. Perfect. Okay, let's start to eat. It's a Namuru, the bean sprouts, veggie Namuru. Bean sprouts, carrot, and enoki mushroom, and mitsuba. It's kind of like some salad, like appetizer salad. Okay, いただきます。Good for serve with 焼肉。Nice texture, beanspurouts. A good flavor from sesame seed oil. Nice. So good. So easy to make. But today, I'm gonna eat curry. I'll show you another program, another day. 2 days ago, I make it and aging in refrigerator. 牛もつカレー。So good, so delicious. Like some salad. So good. So, thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you.